What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to a car meet over at Guntherwerks over in Huntington Beach. I just finished getting some gas. I'm gonna go wash my car real quick. Still have some time, and then we're gonna be meeting over at my friend Ayet's house, and right from there, and then we're gonna head out over there to the car meet. Hopefully today's gonna be packed with some nice cars. I'm sure it's gonna be, because I believe the meet is being hosted by Vorsteiner, I believe, so that's like one of my favorite companies of all time. I'm really looking forward to this meet. We're almost at the car wash. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. Alrighty, so we made it. Got a cool little parking spots over here. I had E30 and E36. Oh, 2002s, my god. So clean. Oh, cute little doggy. Whoa. So definitely so far so good. The turnout, obviously.
Check the
Alpina.
check the
Is it S2K engine? Okay, yeah, I wasn't expecting that one, so that's pretty cool. Wow, this is clean.
That's the one with the D8. Yeah. The one next to it, I think.
Yeah,
it's
4.6.
Yeah, that's the one with the
D8, yeah.
What's the color on this? Daytona violet. I think this guy just imported recently. That's something important. It's very nice. What was the last one I ate for you? Hey, that video was sick, bro.
I swear on my life.
I wouldn't expect any less of the cars that are here. Everything is so clean, so nice.
Because it was so nice. It was like 60,000 miles. It's like you're bad driving. Right now, that's worth at least 30. Yeah, I sold mine. I sold it for a little bit over 30 on a purchase trailer. And the guy, he really listed 60,000 miles out. Yeah, so he listed it for free as soon as he bought it from me. And then,
For all those old school M guys, if you ever heard of M Fest, yeah, it was a great following back in the days. A lot of stuff happened nonetheless, but met up here with one of my good friends, JV.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
Massive history together. Some of the first E36 guys right here, the original. So I believe this place is mainly a Porsche spot, no?
Porsche and yeah, BMW. I think a lot of carbon fiber stuff. Accessories, wheels, full-on cars. Check out those videos.
Oh, the Vorsteiner bumper right there. You got a feel on it.
yeah, this one's the best one. I think you do daily. Yeah.
So Vorsteiner did save the G a little bit.
I like the new gun. I like
It looks a lot better, bro. It honestly,
even like this color because it's
they did what they could to save the G. It's pretty good. I actually really like it now. I feel the opposite of it. Not 100% completely the opposite.
On white, it doesn't look good. So that's an easy.
Obviously, everything would be Vorsteiner down on this. So yeah, we're definitely gonna take a look around a little bit more, have a little bit more footage for you, and yeah, see you guys in a bit. Like, dude, take a look at the chassis of this car, the body of it, man. The doors, all pure carbon. It's crazy. Lamborghini, I guess you would call this the plenum of it. Yeah, GT3 RS one day. Or Huracan. Maybe a Huracan. Huracan is gold.
Oh yeah.
Amazing shot. Got this thing of miracle water. Let's see what kind of miracles it does for me. Hopefully it lowers the gas prices, that's for sure.
I might take one of these cars home, maybe.
Wait, what kind of raffle do they have? Do you know?
I think they're giving away a Guntherwerks car today.
Nah. What up, boy
What's
Leo?
going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Beautiful day today.
They're like memberships and shit?
Possibly, maybe some swag.
A swag bag?
Yes, sir. A lot of cool cars out today.
Woo!
But that's a project. Yeah.
What else we got over here? Tastes like water? Let me see what this miracle water tastes like. Hold on. One-hander. Let's see what kind of miracle water. Yeah, it's water. Actually get back here in Vorsteiner's CNC room where they make all the wheels. It's pretty sick. See them making that rim in there. Pretty sick, dude. All the barrels. That's crazy. Epic turnout for sure. We're about to start the raffle soon, so hopefully you win something if not. Oh well, whatever.
I'm gonna win those washer and dryer right there.
The washer and dryer?
Yeah. Alright,
Brand new, still wrapped in the foam. So nice. music to my ears. So with that being said, guys, I hope all of you enjoyed today. It was a great meet, honestly. I'm sorry I didn't get more footage. I had a little issue, but I'm glad I was able to get more footage of like the older cars, like the E36s, E30s, the 2002s. I feel that I don't put enough footage of that in there, so there you go. And yeah, so once again, I hope all of you enjoyed today. See you guys back on the next one. Peace.